Did you know that the strongest person in the world is a human? Did you know that the richest person in the world is a human? Yeah. Did you know that the smartest person in the world is a human? And more importantly, do you know that you are human? You can do anything. My name is J Lover, and thank you so much for even viewing my video. Just by you viewing this, it is a testimony and it attributes to why I call myself the manifesting queen. I'd definitely love to introduce you to my program. It's called The Art of the Start, and there's nothing that you need to do. There's nothing you need to do other than start. Sometimes we underestimate who we are in God and who we are in ourselves and where we can go. So what do you want? What can you do today? I call this Just Start Friday. Can you start? Can you start right now? And what can you start? And you don't need everything to be perfect. Trust me. You just need to start. Check me out on all my platforms. I'd definitely love to show you how to start. Let's do one thing at a time.